Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have. Here I have some winter gloves. They should be good for work gloves and for uh, doing stuff, but I'll show you guys what they look like. Here it comes with the little clip between them. It's the summer right now, so I won't be using these quite yet, but when it's the winter time, these will come in handy for sure. It's got a little zipper to make it easy to put on, so I can put it on. I got size medium, and I have, I don't know, normal size hands. That's what my hand looks like. So medium fits me perfectly. And it's got this little symbol here, which means it should be good for touchscreen stuff. I think my iPad's over here. I'll give it a try on my iPad. See if I can do that. Yes, the swipe works. Watch, if I click something, I'll just click Instagram. See, it comes up. So that's good. And my son posted. But there you go. So it works with the touchscreen with that. And these are the gloves. They are inside of it. It's like, you can see it's a soft fur kind of feeling on it. And on the outside, it's like a kind of a water resistant shell. And these are nice. They feel good. My hands are pretty warm inside of it already here. So it's good. And let's see if I can do, I can even do the zipper with the fingers. They are pretty dexterous, I guess is the word. So these are nice. And then I can open them up and take them off. Let's see. I probably don't even really open them up to take them off. Nah, it'll slide out. But I guess if you really want to have some space, or if you just want to get some air in there while you're doing it, you can just leave it open. Whatever. So super cool. I like these. And they say Glove Joy right there. And they're nice. And look at that. It's kind of got that little grippy kind of feel on it. Super good. Thumbs up from sure.